Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to connect to a hotel Wi-Fi on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead, jump into the video right now. So if you are trying to connect to the hotel Wi-Fi, one of the main things you are probably running into is you need to accept the terms of agreements on the hotel Wi-Fi before you can actually access it. So to do this, this is very easy. We go up to the settings section right here and then go to network. Then go to settings and set up an internet connection. Just go ahead and choose the hotel Wi-Fi. Go through the process to set it up. And I'm already connected to my Wi-Fi right here, so I don't have to type in a password or anything. But if you are connecting to the hotel Wi-Fi, you most likely are getting some sort of like connection failed when you're trying to set up the connection. So if I go up to test internet connection right now, you are probably going to see your internet connection completely failed and you're not connecting to PlayStation Network. But to actually accept the terms of agreement, you have to back out of this and go to the main settings page, and you simply have to open up a web browser on your PlayStation. You can go to User's Guide, Health, Safety, Other Information right at the top. Select this and then just go to the right to User's Guide, and this will open up a web browser quick, and it should be your hotel page where you have to scroll through the page, enter in maybe your room number, your last name, and then maybe even a password for the hotel Wi-Fi, depending on if you have that information or not. But just go ahead and follow the steps on there, accept the agreements, and you should be able to go back to test internet connection once again, and you should see everything working on here, and you should be connected to the Wi-Fi, and you should be good to go. Now you can also open up a web browser by going to like your message group right here by pressing the PlayStation button, and then just choosing like a friend to message. Like this right here, I have another account that I just message all the time. I just typed in twitter.com just like that, and then I can select it, and it'll take me to that web page very easily. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help tips coming up next on YourSixStudios.